What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be doing another coin hunt, and we're going to be going through these two penny rolls right here that I got from the bank. Let's see if we can find something good, some specific errors, rare coins, you name it. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. All right, guys, let's see if we can find something good. It has some crazy toning on it, that's for sure. 2014. 1997, you look for the second ear. I don't see it. Try and go through these fairly quickly if I don't see any noticeable errors. (2019, 2017), you guys look for the floating head on the penny. Lincoln's head should look detached from his body. And that is a very, very collectible error. I actually have a 2017 P at Annex right now, so hopefully I get a good grade on that. Should be coming back any day now, actually. Okay, let's see. 2015. It's only 2 rolls today, so hopefully we find at least 2 or 3 errors, you know. I'm hopeful. 1989D, let's go ahead and weigh this one. 2.5, okay. So with those ones, if it is a 3.1 gram copper coin, you have found something very valuable. And we have a 2009. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find that extra finger under the microscope. So let's go ahead and look at this close up. Okay, guys, so there is no extra finger, but this is still 2009. I'm going to go ahead and hold on to that one. Oftentimes, I like to collect the ones that are in really good condition because they are rare to see. I don't know what this has on it. (2000). Let's see if this has the wide AM. 1998 to 2000, if they have the wide AM, that is money. 1992, if it has the closed AM, that is also money. Be on the lookout for those ones, guys. This is a nice copper. I'll keep that one. This looks like either damage or a lamination error, possibly. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like you can barely make out the facial features. May just be some kind of damage, but very interesting. Some more toning on this one and some corrosion. All right, let's open up the next pack. All right. (2021) has some damage on it. 2000. Let's put this one under the microscope. Looking for the wide AM. This one is close. $19.92. Let's see what we got. Hopefully we have close. And this is wide. Oh, 1994 has a bunch of gunk on it. $19.84, you look for the double ear, just like the $19.97. This one doesn't have it. This one has some damage. Okay, we got another 2009. This one is in much better condition. Let's put it under the microscope to see if we can find any noticeable errors. No errors on this one, but it is in very good condition. And we have another one. Oh, wow. Very rare, in really good condition. Let's see if this one has that extra finger. No, it doesn't. But that's okay. It's in really good condition. So I'll hold on to that one. This one has a lot of stuff on the front. I don't know what that is, if that's dirt or toning. 2020. Maybe toning. 1988. We have a wheat cent. Let's see. A 1919. Wow. Definitely holding on to this one. Really, really cool, guys. We have a 1990 wheat cent, a 1919 wheat cent. All right, last two. And we have another wheat cent. What is this year? 1927. see. Wow, 1927. This is an old coin, almost 100 years old, guys. And I can still read the front and the back. Not bad. 1927. I'm trying to zoom in. That's pretty awesome. And last one, 2020. Awesome. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and clean these pennies up and then we'll do a recap. All right. So we have the 1927 wheat cent, 2009 Lincoln cent, another 2009 Lincoln cent, 1978 copper, another 2009 Lincoln cent. This one has a little bit of toning and some corrosion. You can try and clean it off with some warm water or something and a damp towel. And then lastly, we have a 1919 wheat cent. Awesome, awesome find. This is really, really good for 2 rolls. Wow. That's awesome. So I'm definitely going to keep these. Probably won't keep this one because it's not in the best shape, but really happy with this hunt, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.